Hi guys! Aniq here.
Ali here.
Muaz here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Bye bye Muaz.
Bye bye.
Muaz is gonna be our helper.
Yeah, he'll come in mid video soon.
So today we're going to be unboxing the Logitech Z207
Bluetooth
speakers. Okay, so this here is a Bluetooth speakers made for PCs and stuff, and also other devices. Some things about this: so this has a max power, a peak power of 10 watts. It's stereo. It's Bluetooth 4.1, and it can support up to 2 Bluetooth devices. It can like switch by 2.
And also, you can, instead of Bluetooth, you can also use a wired.
Yeah, so this is also wired. So you guys can see it. Here's the front. One side, another side,
Another
side. That was the back. Okay, so you guys can see here's the speakers. So there's two sets. There's one set of speakers with 2 circles on each.
And the right one has the easy control area.
So here you guys can see it, and I think now, and on the back also, it's
simple controls.
Yeah, simple controls. You can even connect your phone with it.
Ooh.
And I think now maybe we should open it up.
Yeah.
One here, one here. Oh. Okay, so over here it shows us how to connect it.
And how to use the so there's one wire. So first you need to put the power. And then from the power you need to you can either plug a headset or connect Bluetooth. And then you can use the volume controls and stuff.
So let's take these out.
So there's paper, which is safety and stuff. So we'll put that there. And then there's this thing. We have 2 of these cables. This is aux cable.
So this goes from, if I'm not, let me just check. It says up here. So yes, so this goes from speakers to your device.
PC
with
or laptop.
3.5 millimeter headphone jack.
Yeah. So, and then we have the power cord.
So here they are. Like we said before, 2 speakers each. These are actually fairly light and yeah. So
this is the power cord over here, and so we'll connect it. Like this.
So the speakers here, you guys can see the power knob. It makes a little click when it's at 0, and it goes like a 360. Yes. This is where you plug in your headphones. Bluetooth pairing button here. Anything else? Nothing. Yeah, auxiliary port and power port here. So let's put in the power.
Yep. Which goes in this. Yeah.
There.
So it goes in this, and then these 2 are connected together so they can.
So we're going to connect it with Bluetooth Muaz. So over here we have a phone. And I'm just gonna open it up. Okay, so over here it says what you're supposed to do is for Bluetooth. On this one here, there's a Bluetooth button. Click that. Is it on?
Yep, the power's in.
Yeah, so you have to turn it on. Now on. Bluetooth. Blue. And let's see if it does detect it. So yes, it detects it over here by the name of Logitech Z207.
So we're gonna press it.
Press it, it should be connecting. And it's connected, and up here it shows that it's connected. So we're gonna go over here and see if it works.
Volume up. Ooh.
So here you guys can see it's playing on my phone. Oh, These are loud.
These are
Let's turn it
loud.
down a little.
Yep.
These are very loud. You can even see them vibrating. It's cool.
I know. This is at max volume from this.
Yeah, so these are actually very
Pretty cool.
And the sound, it sounds very, very clear too. It was also very easy to set up. You just have to press a button. I'm pretty sure that's how you also set up another device. Muaz, come in.
Yay!
So Muaz, do you want to try it? Press
Okay.
play.
Volume. This is max.
You can turn up the volume from here.
So volume up.
Yes, volume up.
You can actually feel these vibrating if you just
Yeah.
touch your hand on it.
So these are very good.
Yeah.
Muaz, do you like them?
Yeah, what is that sound?
It's because I closed it.
Oh.
Yes, so these are very good speakers. They sound very good. They also look very good too.
Yeah, and they're also
Yeah.
pretty light.
And there
So we'll be using these.
and there is a stand here to not fall off.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna be using these for our Mac Mini.
So go check that video out if you
Yeah.
haven't. That device doesn't have the best speakers in the world, so these can be used as a very good alternative to those. So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
Remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.